In today's episode, we will be learning how to install PayPal application on your Android device. To install PayPal application on your Android, first of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android phone. Once you open up Google Play Store, tap the search icon at the bottom right and then in the search box, type in PayPal. Once you find the PayPal mobile application in the search result, tap on the install button to start downloading PayPal on Android. Once you start the download process, wait for a couple of minutes, and once it is all done with the installation, you will be able to open the PayPal app on your Android phone and start logging in or register for a new account if you don't have one. That is how you can easily download and install PayPal app on your Android phone. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.